Have you ever suspected that the world around you isn't real, but a carefully constructed illusion? Picture this: on a quiet night, a neuroscientist sneaks into your room, sedates you, and takes your brain to a lab. He places it in a tank of nutrient solution and connects it to a machine that sends electrical impulses, creating sensations identical to real experience. This is the famous brain in a vat thought experiment. Our consciousness is entirely the result of brain activity. When you see a beautiful woman, your eyes send signals to your brain, which forms the image of beauty. But if the same brain region were artificially stimulated, you'd have the same experience without the woman, without even opening your eyes. Love, pain, happiness, all could, in theory, be created this way. So how can you be sure you're not just a brain floating in a tank right now, with every sight and sound fed to you by a machine? Perhaps your brain is being stimulated at this very moment to make you believe you're scrolling through your phone. In the 17th century, René Descartes famously said, "I think, therefore I am." He believed that the act of thinking was undeniable proof of existence. But how can we be certain that our thoughts are truly our own and not simply programmed responses within an artificial reality? In this scenario, the brain can't tell where its signals come from. Everything feels real because it processes the inputs exactly as it would in the physical world. The brain in a vat hypothesis can neither be proven nor disproven. If such a simulation were real, what kind of civilization could create it? The idea challenges us to rethink the nature of reality and consciousness itself. Is awareness dependent on the body or merely on the patterns of signals within the brain? Even Elon Musk once suggested that the odds of us living in the real world might be less than 1 in a billion. Whether or not that's true, one question remains: what, if anything, can we ever call real?